Good morning. Today is Monday, May 7th, and here are my kids and my hubby's lunch. So, my youngest is having a strawberry fruit squeezy, yogurt tube, some flaxseed crackers as well as some pita crackers with some meat, some kielbasa and mock chicken, and some horse and cheese. My oldest is having a strawberry fruit squeezy, yogurt tube, some marbled cheese, and some Ritz crackers. And my hubby, he's having a salad, which is just lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, with a green goddess dressing at the bottom, and some mock chicken, marble, and some flaxseed crackers. And there we are my kids' lunches. My husband doesn't need a lunch today. He has meetings. So my oldest has cheese and Ritz crackers, granola bar, cheese string, yogurt tube, and a fruit squeezy. My youngest is having leftover Bahamian baked mac and cheese. I'll put the video of it up here. Cheese string, yogurt tube, and granola bar, and fruit squeezy. Wednesday, May 9th. Here's my husband's lunch: salad and meat, cheese, and crackers. My two kids do not need a lunch because they're doing a 24-hour famine to raise money for the Kanata. Today is Thursday, May 10th, and here are my kids' lunches. My husband does not need a lunch today because it's his birthday and he's going to buy himself a lunch. So my youngest has some Borson cheese and crackers, some edamame with salt, granola bar, fruit pouch, and a cheese string that she didn't eat the other day, and a yogurt tube. My oldest has a fruit pouch, edamame, yogurt tube, and some cheese with some little Ritz type crackers, and a granola bar. So it's Friday, May 11th, and here are my kids' lunches. My youngest is having a couple pieces of homemade extra crispy fried chicken that I made for supper last night with some barbecue sauce, some edamame with salt, a fruit pouch, and granola bar that I didn't eat yesterday. And for a treat, she's having a fruit leather. My oldest is having stuffed grape leaves because her sister had hers for breakfast. A fruit leather is a treat, granola bar, and edamame. And there we have it.